Hello YouTube. Good morning. Good morning all. I hope you all are okay. Uh, Currently I am busy with my some professional work, but you can see today this is almost 12 and 25 amps outside. That's mean almost we can see it's now currently generating 1512 something watt, so almost 1500 watt. It's out, yes, 1500 watt in outside. My battery is almost charging current is 25 amps, 26 amps, sometime highest I have observed 27 amps. And obviously my whole home, or load, home load, yes, home load is still running on the solar. And it's nice that last 1 week we are constantly using solar. And it's totally normal, like washing machine, refrigerator, AC, means air conditioner or air cooler, whatever it is. It's basically it's consume huge amount of current. But apart from all, yes, we are doing very great. So thank you. Very soon I will come with another video. So that's it for today. And also people, you can search my Vishwajit Upgrade Solar on VRM portal, so you can get it, you can see it, my portal on Victron VRM portal. So see you soon. Stay charged, stay safe. Please like and share my video, and also please uh, press the bell icon. Thank you all. Great. See you. Bye.